Howdy everybody, Dr. Reese Hayden with Synergy Chiropractic of Houston. Today we're going to be asking about, you've just been in a car accident and what we need to do now. Your car needs to be evaluated so that the insurance company can have an idea of how much damage was done to the vehicle. So a couple of different people have different viewing opinions on where they should take their car. If you ask the insurance company, they will easily and happily tell you, hey, we have contracts with these body shops, take it over there, they'll take a look at it and give you the best price we can. Okay? So that's one method. Another method is people will call up a friend and say, hey, you have a body shop, or do you know anybody who has a body shop? And then you can take your car there, get an estimate, and then you give that to the insurance company. That's also a valid method of doing things. The method that we personally recommend is, one, do those as well to get a good idea of how much things will cost. Also, we recommend taking your car to the dealership that makes the car. If it's a Nissan, take it to a Nissan dealership. It's a Ford, take it to a Ford dealership, so on and so forth. Because whenever there's an accident, the dealership has a rule book that they have to follow with checkpoints that they have to go through, and they're not allowed to skip any points, whereas body shops could potentially do that because they want to give maybe a lower estimate because they want your business or because they have contracts with the insurance company. The dealership, however, cannot cut any corners. They have to follow the rule book, and that usually ends up leading to a higher estimate. You actually want a higher estimate because that's what the insurance companies are using to determine how much they're willing to pay out for medical expenses and things like that. You might not actually use the dealership, but you at least want their estimate so that you can get a good idea. One very important thing that a lot of people might overlook, but it's actually one of the rules that they do in the dealership when doing an estimate, is they will look at the seatbelt buckle. After an accident, your seatbelt buckle should be replaced. Most people would think, why would that need to happen? Well, if you think about it, the average adult male is anywhere between 180 pounds and up. If you're in a car accident and you weigh around 180 pounds and then suddenly you have trauma that's pushing you into your seatbelt, well, the seatbelt mechanism is a very small mechanism of metal parts. 180 pounds or more suddenly being shifted into that small mechanism could potentially mess up the mechanism on the inside. And the next time, heaven forbid, you're in an accident, if that mechanism was not changed out, then something could potentially go wrong with the mechanism and it's no longer serving as a seatbelt, and you could hit the windshield, or heaven forbid, go through the windshield. For this purpose, the dealership is going to go into much more detail than a normal body shop, so that they can make sure that their drivers are taken care of. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to give our office a call. We're more than happy to help you out and give you any advice that we have. We hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.